Crystal, I hate to break it to you. I don't know if there's a bathroom. Oh, hold up. Never mind. Oh, my. Chuppy, you're cut from the team for playing Foxy Jump Scare. Okay. Good thing it tells me who plays which alerts. Hello? This is gonna be Zach. Zach? Okay, that fart was pretty well timed.
Hell is
Billy.
Ouch it! Oh my. Kenny! Who is that? The piglets fall off needs to be so. I did not know it picked up my microphone from the menu, bro. I thought... I was about to say Piglet's fall off needs to be studied because bro had the pig mask on. What did I do? What did I... Chat, that's y'all's fault. I think he heard y'all ripping the channel point alerts. Was it my mouse? Are you kidding me? He heard us ripping it in the closet right there. Okay, realistically, I think it was actually my mouse. I shouldn't have slammed my mouse.